Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be playing with some washi tapes. I love washi a lot. This video is in collaboration with Journal Say. As you guys know, I've been doing quite lots of videos recently in collaboration with this amazing brand. Every single thing, let me zoom out a little bit, everything I have used will be linked down below, and then if you follow the link I get little tiny commissions which support with my journey and my channel to bring you guys some nice content, I hope. So I've got loads of things to show you and to tell you. The first thing I want to showcase is this here. It's washi tape thin and it's called Retro. There are different collections on the website. Again, sorry if I keep repeating, I will put the link down below. So this is a set of 1, 2, 3. In fact, let me get it all out. Oopsie. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. And each washi tape, there is the same color palette. So retro, vintage inspired, and the color palette is the same. It's like brown, orange, yellow, a bit of red, etc. Apologies about the state of my finger. I got glue, I got all sorts. But the beauty of these washi tapes, of course, you can use them on their own, you know, to do anything, to decorate, to use them as tapes for your journal, etc. But what I did, and I'm going to show you in just a moment, I used them to create some textures, some pages on the background. So on this set here, we've got some writing. This one here with the London, so it's all little like postcards from London, little stamps actually, not postcards. Then we've got another writing in cream. I think, I might be wrong, these are Henry VIII signature. The only reason I know, because we were watching the Tudor on TV, the series, and I'm sure that was Henry VIII signature, like sort of like stamp. This is a really nice tape measure. You got different style. You get some Giggingham slash, yeah, it's like a Giggingham, like a winter Giggingham. You got another one says Dublin, more like a circus inspired, if I can speak English. It's super cute. Then you get another one with this vintage letters. Hope you can see because I've got two bright light shining on the desk. This one here, which is like a tile design. It reminds me of the tile that we have in Italy. Just check, like a vintage check. And then last is just some more handwriting style. Okay, so this come in a box. So what I've done with those, I have done some background. Look at that. I just simply like put strips together. Okay, with crafting, guys, there aren't any rules, so don't let people tell you what to do. So what I simply did here, just loads of fun, I simply put stripe by stripe, put them together. So, and I'm gonna use this as a background card. Okay, so this is one, and because the color palette is being designed to mix and match, this all works together. I think if I put on a white background, you can probably see it better. Yeah, you can. Okay, so this is one, and then I have done another one. So one is landscape, one is portrait. It's just simply use some scraps. I have some scraps on my desk, so I'll cover them. Can you see? Yeah, you can. Okay, so that's this set. Then, so that's that. Then, so got lots to show you. Then there is this one here. Right, this washi here, get you this one, this little stripe here. And it's so cool because I want to show you. So, look how cool this is. So just let me peel the back. So what you do, I'm just going to to trying to stay straight. It's because I'm rushing. Anthony, don't rush. Ugh, I'm making a mess. Right. And also, I don't want to get my hair on camera. Yeah, that should be straighter-ish. That's the straightest you can get. Okay. And then trim the end with my scissors. And then what you do with the backing, I just cut it. And then that's that. And then you get your mini postcards. So if I get my trimmer out, so if you want little tiny little ephemera, you can use this technique. It's not really a technique, it's just like a strip, and you just simply cut it. And then how cute are those little ephemera pieces? So super cute. So that's that. Very similar to this is this one here. It's larger. Okay, so it's very large. So this one here is this. Okay, so you get loads of vintage butterfly. So again, I'm going to show you. I love these sort of projects that you don't have to think about anything. I mean, if you do scrapbooking, you can use this as a decorate, like to put your photos, you know, like as a sticker, like to use as a proper washi tape to keep your things in place. It's gorgeous. Oh, these can use as a border to decorate your journals. So so nice. Love that. So again, let me get my trimmer out, which sits under the desk with me all the time. And then I'll trim it. Okay. And then what you do again, you simply cut it. This is a bit easy to cut because you actually get a border, so you can actually cut each piece. So the point of this video is trying to use your washi tapes in different ways, like think outside the box and see what you can do with them. Now, what we could do to decorate it further, this can make stamps. You know, they can be for stamps, but if you guys want, we can do a separate video for that. So this is, again, some cute ways to use washi. Then I've got this one here. So when I opened it, so I wasn't really sure because I thought it was just an adhesive strip that they actually individual stamps. So they peel off, and this is the collection. It's all blue, grey and turquoise. You get tons and tons of adhesive stamps with the cherry blossom. Just get rid of it. So what I've done, I put them on a background this could be a really nice card and then put a message on top. Okay, so I made a collage. What do you guys think? So that's another way. Then I've got two more, which are those two. This one here is this beautiful floral adhesive strip. Okay, it's adhesive, so you can see it's got like a film on top. Okay, so you glue it on that, and the beauty of that, you can fussy cut it. How beautiful is that, to create some really nice borders? So these are like, if you think of a journal page, you can fussy cut the edge of it, and that will be a really nice border. Now, what I've done, I have used on a white cardstock or on a green cardstock. I just want to use now this one here on a white one. I'm just going to use a little strip. I won't do a full long strip. So I just want to show you how easy it is to use. So what you do, you just simply attach that into, yeah, I probably prefer on the white. And the beauty of that, you just simply like peel it off like that. Okay, and you get quite a lot of it, so it's a very, very big roll. Okay, so let me just trim the edge. That stays there. So one is the flowers, the blue flowers, one is the burgundy flowers. So again, I think I definitely prefer it on a white background, because you can definitely see the flowers more. So if I bring them close to you guys, I need something white. Yeah, so can you see? Look how nice the colors are, vibrant on a white background compared to a green background. But depending what sort of look you want to achieve, I guess. But I definitely like that one. Okay, that's it, guys. Just a little showcase. I will definitely, yeah, I've got some stamps that the guys sent me as well, which is part of the Happy Mail, and there are those ones here. So we definitely in another video we're going to use, because I want to try them as well. We're going to use these pieces here and this stamp set, because I want to see what they look. Yeah, I think they're gonna look, imagine like those big stamp in here. I think they're gonna look really cool. But also you can use them on their own, so you stamp them, and then with some watercolor you create your own vintage. Yeah, we're definitely going to do something with that. Definitely. So guys, that's it. What do you guys think? I really do like, I must admit, I really do like having this background cards there. And also, yeah, I think the stripe are super cool. Those one or those one. Right, guys, I'm going to go. I put everything that I have used, if you guys want to play with them as well, just to try to achieve a different look. As I said, they are quite big rolls, so they will last a lot of time, especially those one. You get really good for your money. There are different options of this. I will link everything down below. I just want to say a big thank you to the team on Journal Say to send me all these goodies and do this partnership together. So really enjoying playing with all the products. Guys, I will see you another time. I think we've got a video coming up on Wednesday. So enjoy the rest of your week. Have a great week. Big thumbs up if you like this video. You really support me, guys, with the journey on YouTube, because every time you do that, you're telling YouTube that you like what I make. So it's a very free interaction, and I really appreciate it. Guys, I'm gonna go. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.